Welcome to my new course, How to Work in Subtitling from Home. Who am I? My name is Nitai, an English and Hebrew audio transcriber at Apple with experience and wide subtitling knowledge. As you can see, I'm a professional freelancer working full-time on subtitling and translation. I wanted to share my success and knowledge, so I made this simple and fun course regarding how to start working in subtitling. Some of you might ask, why should I work in transcription service? Well, here are the three main reasons. It's an easy mobile job that you can do wherever and whenever you wish, since you're the boss of yourself. In your room at home or while traveling far away, your work can come with you wherever you go. Subtitling is a job that you decide how much you work on and when. You might earn in an hour more than the average payment you will get in a standard exhausting part-time job. If you put the effort in your work, clients will give you positive feedback, which can push your overall rank online and let you ask from the next client higher price for your approved service, an effect you won't find on standard part-time jobs outside. You will be learning about interesting and varied topics while transcribing, as well as improve your language skills and vocabulary. Subtitling exposes you to many types of interesting videos and helps on improving your language skills while transcribing between two different languages. And now, let me show you what are the goals of the course and the lectures you will learn here. First, I will teach you all about the necessary basics of subtitling. Subtitling service, terms, guidelines, pricing, and types. From basic terms any transcriber needs to know, to important guidelines about writing subtitles, and even proper pricing for your service, in the first lecture, you will learn all of this and more. Transcription tools, all you need to know. In the second lecture, I will teach you about the subtitling process and which free or paid tools to use. Proofreading for better accuracy. Even after your subtitles are ready, you need to go back and make sure it sounds clear and professional. In that lecture, I will show you how to proofread your work and make sure it shines. On the second section, I will teach you all about transcription tools and how to use them, and which ones to use, free or paid tools. Automated transcription tools. In this lecture, I will guide you how to use automated transcription tools for receiving subtitles automatically with 90% success rate. Transcription editing tools. This lecture will teach you about the best free or paid options you can find and how to use them. Embedding subtitles on a video. The last lecture shows you how to attach subtitles into a video, which is often a thing clients ask for, and as a transcriber, you must know how. Final and bonus lecture. At the end, I have made a final lecture for you with a bonus lesson for dessert. Why I made this course? Some of you will say, why should I buy this course? I can learn this by myself. However, that's a great mistake. I have tried searching for this information, but sadly there weren't any straight answers to be found. In the end, I started working much later than expected, wishing I already knew these things from the very start. So, I decided to make this course to teach exactly that information and save people precious time. Acquiring the essential knowledge, the information that you will find and learn in this course, took me several months of extended searches to discover by myself. Fortunately for you, all that and more can be found right here, thus you will be able to start your journey much faster and sooner. Don't make the same mistake I did. That's the end. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my full course.